I literally cannot believe that it is already the end of September and I am doing a little flip through of what my journal looks like so far. I do have a couple of spreads in here that are blank, just like this reading one for 2024. I think what I'm going to do is come back at the end of the year and just fill it out with the books that I've read. I think that'll be a little bit easier. I'm absolutely, though, in love with this July spread. I pulled out my Crayolas in this bluey color tone and created this floral pattern. For me, I just find a lot of ease when it comes to florals, and it's my natural go-to, so I do tend to fall back on it when I'm needing a little bit of creative time. Here I do have my 75 challenge. Now I have all the habits on the side and I check off the days that I get it done, but this was my first month actually trying to do something like this, and I do end up tweaking it throughout the bullet journal. For August specifically is where I figure out a little bit better of a pattern. I do need to, though, bring it back into my spreads when it comes to October because I am falling a little bit behind. For August here, I have my mushroom theme. I am in love with this theme. I ended up creating this cute little calendar to go along with it. I specifically ended up using it for sales, but you can feel free to use it for anything that your heart desires. I did want to create both a single page calendar, this cover page as well, and a 2-page calendar for access for people when they bought the entire kit for my stickers. Now this little kit here is what I ended up falling back on a lot throughout the month, just because I wanted that cute painted feel, but I didn't want to have to put in the work of painting. I chat about that so much. Here's where I start figuring out my shit when it comes to the 75 challenge. I actually block out the days that I know I'm not going to get it done, and then it's a little bit easier for me to go ahead and get stuff that I want accomplished without feeling like I am falling behind, that I'm not doing what I should be doing. I found this strategy worked a lot better for me. Here you can also see there's a couple days missing, but now we head into September. I know it says August there, but my brain obviously was not working when I was filling that out, which is so funny going back and looking at things. I do super duper love these headers. They made planning so much easier, but that is kind of really it. And now I am on to October, so you will see that very soon. I had so much fun doing this little flip through.